Hello, I'm Horace Douty in Lexington, Virginia, and each Tuesday I bring you a local nature lesson. And I encourage you to go to Horace Douty YouTube, click on like, click on subscribe, and also click on the little bell icon so that you will be reminded when I'm there. And share these videos with your family and your friends. I appreciate that. Today, I want to talk about the lavender plant. It's an ancient plant from the old world and prized for centuries as a medicine and as a flavoring. It's also used in making cosmetics and fragrances. And the greens are used in cooking and in making tea. All of this for centuries and centuries. The flower is prized by honeybees for making honey. And the lavender plant, either dried or fresh, can be used as an enhancer for stored clothing and fabric. The plant resists and deters moths and insects and keeps clothing fragrant. Lavender is called nard in many cultures. It's used in making spiced wine. Lavender is fed to young sheep to make them tender and tasty, the meat. And lavender is also used in jams and jellies. Lavender is the name of a color. That color is lavender color. It's also the name of a smell. Lavender is a fragrance, a smell. Lavender is grown now across the world, and in the United States of America, we don't see, at least I don't see, large patches, but in England I have stood in fields of lavender, hundreds of acres of lavender as far as the eye can see. It's easily grown, and even in poor soil, lavender will flourish. And I looked it up this morning on Google, and an acre of lavender in America can net $30,000 profit, they tell me. Now, how you do that, I don't know. You'd have to harvest an awful lot of lavender to be worth that. In many areas, lavender is considered invasive because once it gets established, it can spread. And in parts of Canada, it is unlawful to plant lavender. But the plant itself is pretty, fragrant, long-lasting, and dependably grown. That is your nature lesson for today.